High School in Madison.
I'm Phoenix, and these are your announcements for November 4, 2011. There will be a fan bus to the sectional football game at Jimtown tonight. Bus will leave at 5 p.m. and the cost to ride is $2. Game tickets will also be on sale for $6. Tickets will be available until 1 p.m. today.
Seniors, turn in your job shadow certificates.
Students who are participating in the blood drive on November 7th are reminded that you are to present a photo ID at the time of donation. If you do not have a photo ID, you will need a copy of your transcript. Please stop by the guidance office by Friday to sign up. Requested transcripts may be picked up on Monday morning. No additional transcripts will be printed on Monday. If you do not request yours ahead of time, you may not be able to donate.
Freshman class, it's time to start earning money for your prom. The freshman class is working the concession stands for the girls' basketball game on Thursday, November 10th. If you are interested, please sign up in Miss Bears or Mr. Bobolik's room.
Seniors will be meeting Friday during SST in the PAC with the Herff Jones reps. Packets for graduation items will be distributed.
Term 1 speech and theater students, please pick up your data notebooks from Miss Bear's room no later than Friday, November 4th. Any notebook that is not picked up by the end of this week will be recycled.
Reminder to all theater class students and drama club members, permission slips for our field trip to IPFW on November 17th, as well as your $5 admission fee are due no later next Tuesday, November 8th. Please see Ms. Bear as soon as possible if you need another permission slip. You will not be able to go to the field on the field trip unless you turn in your signed permission slip along with your admission.
Boys basketball practice will begin on Monday, November 7th in the Bateman Gym. Players should report to the basketball locker room prior to 5 p.m. Practice will be from 5 to 8 p.m.
These have been your announcements for November 4th.
Bye.
My name's Matthew.
My name is Austin Leisure.
And you're watching the Sports Corner. Today, the Garrett High School football team's traveling down to Jimtown to play for a sectional championship. The last time Garrett played Jimtown was back in 2003, and ironically enough, we played them for a sectional championship. Except this time, we're going to win. So come out and support your Garrett Railroaders by traveling down to Jimtown tonight. Austin, how's the world NFL?
Well, first of all, that I had just heard maybe no more than a couple days ago that one of my favorite teams, the Chargers, is going to be versing the Green Bay Packers.
Yes, the Green Bay Packers is my favorite team. The 7-0 Packers are going to play the, what are they, Austin?
I think they're 5-3.
The 5-3 Chargers on Fox around 4:15, so tune in. Well, that was our sports for today, so why don't you guys come down to Jimtown and we'll see you there.